Welcome to Linkit Helper. If you want to get started with this tool, here is the simple guide. Go to the website linkithelper.com and click Download. Create an account. Don't forget to verify your email with us sometime later. Follow the link you received to your inbox. Then click Go to Downloads page. The file will download automatically, or click on any of these buttons. When complete, click on the installation file, select Launch in the dialog window that may appear, and wait a few minutes. The Linkit Helper app is on your computer now. You can log in. Let's add your LinkedIn account. This time, use your email and password to LinkedIn website. Welcome to the Launcher panel, from where we will now open your LinkedIn account. You can stop the onboarding tour to avoid distraction. Hover over the account until a blue arrow appears and press it. Your account will open in a separate window, also known as Instance. We are close to creating your first campaign. Click Create Campaign on the left side. Campaigns are easily created from scratch. Select Empty Campaign to build the workflow that suits your needs. Use Add Action button to select steps for your workflow. In this campaign, I'm going to visit and extract a list of profiles. But let's look at the most popular workflow in Linkit Helper. To create another campaign, open the drop-down menu on the left and choose Create New. Or use the plus icon located a bit to the right. For the second campaign, choose Invite and Follow Up template. You will see a preview of this campaign steps on the right-hand side. We will begin by inviting and then send a few follow-ups to those who will accept. And follow the step-by-step guide. At step 1, create a nice connection request message to invite people to your network. Use variables to customize it. At step 2, decide how you should go about the weekly invitations limit. You have some options, including the workarounds. Make your choice and click Next. At step 3, you can opt for automatic cancellation of unaccepted invitations after a set amount of time. For example, let's change it to 60 days, or you can decline this step at all. At step 4, create a follow-up message to your newly added connections after they accept. Never forget to click Save and Close. Add another message a few days after the previous one. When done, click Finish. Here is another helpful onboarding to help you fetch profiles into your campaign, or you can skip it and do it by yourself. Here's your complete workflow on the left side of the ribbon. In the right part of the screen, you can make changes to any action in the workflow. For example, you can change the message template or enhance your actions with advanced settings available in the plugin store. If I wanted to postpone the start of my campaign to after 2 days from now, I would go to Action Extensions, find and pick Postpone Action Start, and click Install. The time and date selector is now available in my general settings. Each action suggests what plugins can go with it. You can find them in Available Plugins, or below under More Plugins, and you can activate them directly from here. To add another action, use the plus icon in the place you want it to appear. Under the Inviting tab, let's insert Like and comment posts and articles. This action can help us increase the acceptance rate and warm up our contacts a little bit. To add profiles to the queue, use the blue button on top of your workflow or the one located on the left side next to the queue. Select your source and platform, the LinkedIn search page, for example. Find your audience on LinkedIn using keywords and filters. And when your search is ready, click on the Collect button on the left side and select From Current Page. Allow the tool a few minutes to add profiles to the list of your campaign. You will see how it's progressing on the left side. When enough profiles have been added, you can stop this process clicking on any of the lists here will take you to your full campaigns menu, where you can navigate between them. Let's imagine our campaign has been working for some time and look at the lists we may find here. You've got queue, or lists such as processing. You can find replies in the replied list, failed profiles, and people who accepted your invite if it involves the inviting step. You can export any lists by selecting them and clicking Download. Let's go back to our campaign. Every profile has its own CRM card within Linkit Helper that gets updated every time the program visits it. To start the campaign, use the blue button located on the top of your campaigns menu or the one located on the left. Unless your campaign has been postponed, like I did in my example, normally the campaign would start immediately. Linkit Helper is going to search for contacts and perform steps created in the workflow one after another. In our campaign, First, it sends out an invitation. After that, it finds the activity page and the recent posts. And then like it. Switch to the Launcher panel by selecting the dark blue icon on your toolbar. Here you can add more LinkedIn accounts or buy more licenses when your trial expires. To learn more about this tool, we encourage you to visit the knowledge base, watch the video tutorials, read the changelog about what's new in the latest version, and ask for support.